In front of me is ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. And by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm section at the top left corner. Following that, select Settings at the bottom right one. Then adjust all of those under Alarms however you want to. And when you finished, click on the back button. Now to create new alarm, hit Add Alarm at the bottom left corner. Then set up an hour at the top. When you're ready, click on Days of the week that you wish to set up. Click on this switcher next to Vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm. And click on Alarm Sounds. Now you can click on Add Alarm at the bottom of the list. Pick a song from your device and save it by hitting OK. Or just pick one of those and then choose OK. Now tap on Snooze and decide how many minutes it will take. To save your changes, tap on OK in the pop-up. Lastly, click on Label. Label your alarm however you want to, if you want to. And after tapping on OK, finally save your alarm by tapping on Confirm at the bottom right corner. As you can see, after that my alarm was successfully created. To make some changes, click on it, change wherever you want to, and click on Confirm. To switch it off completely, tap on blue switcher next to it, and to turn it back on, select the same, now grey one. Lastly, to delete your alarm, you need to hold it, and click on Remove icon next to it. Then hit Confirm at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!